All right. For everyone's asking, where is the SH, or not SHF, but the Grim Workshop subscription? I was looking at the tracking, and it says on the 6th, so a few more days. Yeah, I should have came on the first, I know, right? Like that. Mm. But that's okay. Um, so that's what it is. It's still on its way, which is it should have came on the first. Okay, so here's the thing. I was actually looking at the shipping, and in Texas, right? It was just a pre-label for a few days, right? It should have, right? So USPS, I gotta say, it shouldn't be ran by the government because the government, let's just get real here, it shouldn't be ran by the government. It should be ran privately, right? Because private sector has proven that they can do better, right? Maybe if it was probably maybe if it was privately owned, people want to do the job, right? So yeah, that's in 3 more days it should be here. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, been Post Fox Survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland. Peace.